The Merit's Vector P323. This multi-function rehab power wheelchair features a mid-wheel drive power base designed around a plethora of customizations and options. It is the most complete solution to even the most complex rehabilitation and mobility needs. The Vector P323 offers many powerful features which alone are impressive, but what sets the Vector apart from similar wheelchairs is its stability. The full front and rear suspension guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride, while making the P323 incredibly stable. With a powerful carrying capacity of 182 kilograms or 400 pounds, this extremely capable wheelchair is ready for almost any challenge. The Merit's Vector P323 comes in a number of different sizes with different option combinations to better fit each user. This version of the Vector P323 features the power tilt, the power recline, the power footplate, and the power seat elevator options. For more information about different options and specifications, please refer to our catalogue or website. All Vector models feature the power tilt option for pressure relief. This function tilts the chair back from 5 to 55 degrees. Of course, the seat shifts forward to keep the centre of gravity over the middle of the power base. The P323 offers a power recline option, which can adjust from 90 to 150 degrees. Again, the Vector keeps the centre of gravity of the end user above the middle wheels by sliding the seat forward while reclining. Additionally, the armrests also automatically adjust when reclining. The power footplate with elevating leg rests can be adjusted independently from the reclining back or together. The Vector features a mechanical shear reduction device, which helps to prevent injuries by adjusting to the changes in the user's position while reclining. Finally, the P323 can be outfitted with a power seat elevator, allowing the seat to rise 30.5 centimeters or 12 inches. The P323 features a true six-wheel design, which offers numerous advantages. The mid-wheel drive system provides outstanding maneuverability in tight and compact spaces, while maintaining a low center of gravity, which provides a smooth and stable ride both indoors and outdoors. Dual inline motors enhance the P323's efficiency, torque, range, and performance. They are also equipped with an intelligent braking system which electromagnetically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary, effectively locking the power chair in place. It is also regenerative, which means it recovers the kinetic energy lost while braking and feeds this power back into the batteries, thereby extending the range of the wheelchair. To disengage the motors and allow the power chair to be pushed similarly to a standard wheelchair, simply flip the freewheel levers in the front of the power base. Polyurethane tyres for the front and back reduce the worry of a puncture, while pneumatic tyres for the midwheels offer a softer ride for increased comfort. All of the Vector's movements can easily be controlled on the PGE VR2 Controller. It can also be mounted on either side depending on the user's preference. The Vector's other features include a leg separator, torso support, seat belt, and removable splash guards on either side. The P323 also sports a completely adjustable headrest. The Vector P323 is Merit's most versatile mid-wheel drive power base wheelchair. Its features are customizable for each user, while its six-wheel design offers unparalleled support and maneuverability. The Vector is stable, powerful, and capable, and meets even the most demanding mobility requirements.